Welcome, here I've got Doogee X100 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's open the advanced camera settings now. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And here we are. As you can see, the GPS location info button is here at the first place, so by using this we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that, and this is really easy. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep all of these settings turned on and let's go to take a photo. Now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture, and from here let's move to the right corner. When we tap on this we have to pick also the details, and here we can check the location of this photo with the full address. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.